If you want to update data in a table, you can use the following SQL statement. Start by adding the update keyword, then specify the name of the table. I will use books table. Add the set statement. Next come the fields and their new values that will be updated in the table. In this case, I will update the author and creation date fields. Author equals to I am the author. Okay, comma, creation date equals today. Okay, if needed, you can include the where keyword at the end of the statement to filter the rows that will be updated. In this case, I will select rows when the author is Borges. Okay. Run the statement. Okay. I'm going to execute the query to find data in the table books. Okay. That's it. Your data has been updated.